Hi friends, look what I found in my basement, an easel! Just what I needed for the game that I want to show you today. Okay, this is a new math game. It's called the Fact Family game. You will need 2 dice and 2 different colored markers or crayons or pencils or whatever you have. Okay, you'll also need a piece of paper to write and draw on. Okay, so first, roll the dice. Let's see, I rolled a 4 and a 2. I'm just going to draw that up here for you since you can't see the dice. Okay, 4 and a 2. Now I'm going to choose one color to represent the 4. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make 4 circles. I'm going to choose a different color to represent the 2. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. Now I'm going to figure out how many that is all together and write an equation for it. Okay, so what's 4 and 2 all together? 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to write 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, that's how you start the game. Now, the goal of the game is to find all of the equations you can possibly find using the 3 numbers you start with. Okay, so we're starting with a 4, a 2, and a 6. I need to start thinking of some more equations I could write with 4, 2, and 6. Well, remember turnaround facts? I could use a turnaround fact. That means changing the order of the 2 addends. Okay, so the addends here are 4 and 2, and I could change their order. So, for the next one, I'm going to put the 2 first, and then the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to write an equation that matches that. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So look at that. I found another equation that uses the same 3 numbers that I started with. 4, 2, and 6. Okay, now I know I can't change the order of the numbers again because I've already done 4 plus 2 is 6. So I need to start thinking subtraction. What's a subtraction equation I could write with a 4, a 2, and a 6? Gotta really make sure it makes sense. So, in subtraction, we always start with the largest number, with the whole entire amount, right? So my whole entire amount is 6. So I'm going to make my 6 again with blue and red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. And I'm starting with 6 this time. So I'm going to write 6 here. And subtraction means taking away. So what could I take away from 6? I could take away the 2. Why not? Bye-bye 2. And then I'm going to record it here. 6 minus 2. And how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Look at that. I made a new equation with those same 3 numbers. 4, 2, and 6. There they are. Are there any more equations I could make? The answer is yes. I can make one more. I can make one more subtraction equation. What do you think I'm going to do? Yeah, I'm going to start with 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue, 2 red. But to make a new equation, I'm going to take away 4 this time. Oh, I better write my 6 because that's what I'm starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking away 4, I'm going to record it here. And how much is left? 2. And now, my friends, I've made all the possible equations I can make with the numbers 4, 2, and 6. So that's one round of the fact family game. The idea when you play this game is to do lots of rounds. So for the next round, I'm gonna roll my dice again. Look at that. I got 2 different numbers. Oh, this is a tricky one. So I got a double, 2 and 2. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to tell you what happens when you get a double. I want you to give it a try and make as many equations as you can when you get a double, and you can let us know what you notice about it. Okay? So let's just pretend I did that round. I'm going to roll again. Oh, I got a 6 and a 4. So now, let's see, 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So for my next round of the game, I'm going to be making as many equations as I can with the numbers 6, 4, and 10. So why is this called the fact family game? Well, my friends, a fact family is all the equations you can possibly make with 3 numbers, okay? With any 3 numbers. That is a fact family. All right, so go ahead and play. Have fun.